I'm going to show you how to add is-in and out effects using graphs in Capcut PC. Launch Capcut and import the clip you wish to edit. Number 2. Animate with keyframes. Select your clip and add keyframes to create an animation effect. For instance, you might add a simple zoom by adjusting scale or position keyframes. Now, right-click on the clip and select Show Variable Speed Animation to make the animation timeline visible. Now, click on the animated property to open the graph editor where you can adjust the motion of your animation. Within the graph editor, select the keyframes you want to modify. Right-click and choose Preset Curves. To apply smooth transitions, highlight two keyframes to ease movement between them. Browse the curves in the Preset Curves menu and select Ease In or Ease Out to customize your animation. Each curve adjusts the motion style, letting you create a smoother or more dynamic effect. Feel free to experiment with various curves to achieve the precise animation style you're aiming for.